Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for July 15, 2020. So first of all, let's take a look on the SBY. As you can see here, yesterday on the previous video, if you watch it, you see that we know that the market is trying to turn around after they be able to take over the resistance line. They close above it, and then this morning they gap up and then push it higher. So right now that they hit to the double top level of the sell zone here. So we want to see that the market be able to punch through this level and pass to the next level up here or not. But the momentum is still in the upside. Okay, we will stick in the upside. And you can see here in the morning, the market is trying to go up and then they finally be able to punch through the, the pivot high. And then a lot of people, they probably put a buy stop order here and then they wrap it and then they slam them down because they gap up and then they come back, they retest the gap, and after that they find a way to go higher. So the market is definitely a lot of buyers still wait for the opportunity, try to break out those sales on here. So it's very important level here. So we really want to see in the next couple of days where the market is heading to. And this week will be the option expiry week, so also volatile. Plus, a lot of company they go to are now earning also, so that will be put more fuel for the upside or downside, depend the outcome. And if you are day trader, so you can see that early in the morning, this is the chart of E-mini future. They run almost 24 hours. So you can see that early in the morning, the market is trying to break out or take away those people that they want to go long. They slam them down right back to the buy zone, and then they push it back higher at the end. So you can see here, even in shorter time frame, if you are a day trader, and you can see that the market it come up and then they slam it down when the market open. They slam right into the support. They push it back up, right back to the sell zone. And after that, they slam down. They break below the support, go right into the buy zone, and then they put it back up higher at the end of the day. So if you are a day trader, you have to understand where is those support resistance level here, where is your buy zone, sell zone. Otherwise, the market will wipe you out very quickly if you don't know where you're at and you don't know where to put your stop loss. The computer will come and take you out very quickly. So based on that one, today the total net profit for the day trading at $28.33. So I took the trade right here. When I get out of the room, the market it be able to stabilize the support. They get out, take a quick trade, and done for the day. And I also closed some of the options for before the weekend. So the total net profit for the swing trade option is 52.46, $22, which is another method that we are trading. They call swing trade method. So this one that will help you to make money easier if you don't have time to sit in front of the computer every day, a couple hours. So that's another method that you can do if you are busy working. So look at the a couple of stock here. That they give you something here. The bow in it try to bow back up after they stabilize at this level here. So let's see they be able to break out and continue to go higher. A lot of airline stock they also doing very well today. They try to rebound from the bottom. At American Airline, Delta Airline also try to take off, and Southwest Airline also doing well, and United Airline also try to take up. Let's see how far they can go this time. And I close some of the options. The reason I closed it because you have to understand, very important if you are a swing trade, you have to know where is your support and resistance level here. So you have to take a profit. When you get up there, you take a profit and you are done for the day because this thing here, okay, when you are swing trade, whatever the market give you the opportunity and you just take it and then thank you. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. Go back here, hit the resistance, you get out and done. All right. So thank you very much for you guys to stopping by and take a look. If you like what I'm doing here, just give me a thumb up and sign up to our YouTube. You are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, so every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn more how to do swing trade and how to generate extra daily income for daily, and you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.